4x4 as the basis for this vehicle. And what we wanted to show was that our customers use their trucks in so many different ways. And we wanted to show the duality between work life and then play life as well, and how we can integrate Mopar accessories and make our customers' lives that much more enjoyable for them using their products. Starting up front, we have a custom light bar that we've incorporated with our Mopar 5-inch LED lights. Part of what gives the vehicle such a great stance is the 20-inch custom black Rhino wheels with our 35-inch tires, and it has a Mopar 2-inch lift kit, which really helps give the vehicle a strong presence. We have our lightweight tube side step, and part of what makes this vehicle so bold is the high contrast Mopar blue graphics against the black paint. Really like how the graphics turned out on it. You guys did a great job. Part of the innovation that we've created with the bed rack system is adding the LED lights that you see on all four corners of it. We've also incorporated a chisel to the rear crossbar. On the inside panel of the tailgate, a custom Mopar Ramgate task bench insert features various conversion charts, an angle finder, and a concept T-track mounting system that adds to the sturdy and versatile workspace for cutting wood, tuning bikes, or sharpening skis. We also have incorporated our Expert Tech dual slide bed slide that can hold up to 2,000 pounds. And this is great for ease of pulling things such as the mountain bike off of it, or the Dometic refrigerator freezer that we've incorporated onto the side. We're showing this vehicle really as somebody that wants to get out on the weekend, enjoy themselves, and take some of the things to make their weekend a little bit more enjoyable. One of the last pieces to talk about on the Ram Outdoorsman concept is, of course, the Ram box. Such a great storage accessory for the product, and we've added in the Mopar dividers as well. That gives a little bit more separation between the spaces. And we also have our auxiliary charger for the Dometic refrigerator. On the inside of the Outdoorsman, we have unique catskin covered seats, and one of the cool parts is a deployable work surface of the center console that slides in and out, that also has a scale along the top and the sides, as well as a pencil holder. In the rear, under the rear seats, we have a concept where we've incorporated an onboard Ram vac system for easily vacuuming out the inside of the vehicle.
Please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and bye-bye.